Hello guys, you may have saw my shirt. If you didn't, then go check it out. Close the door. Anyways, what I was gonna say. Here's how to get hypersonic thingy. So go to Google, the thing I'm opening. Hypersonic 1. These ones, you can play it on these ones, but they're really laggy. I recommend this one. You can click got it. Delete the ads. Just delete them. Go to full screen. Bend it down because it's a little loud. Alright, so let me show you. You can spin that shit. That's the only ability you have, because these are Sonic 2 palettes mixed with Sonic 1 palette. If you don't know, or sprites, whatever. All you have to do to like activate him
is you press Z and X, I think.
No.
A X on mobile, and on here you press.
You actually press ZZ. You press Z 2 times like this. Hold on.
Yeah.
But first you have to collect 30 rings, I think. See? Like that. That's all. See you.